Welcome to the world of modern Python farming. I'm going to show you the full process of how we produce two high-value products, lean protein and luxury leather.
It starts with our breeding stock. These animals are selected for health and temperament, kept in controlled environments that mimic their natural cycles.
After laying, the eggs are collected and transferred to our digital hatchery for incubation. They grow in individual enclosures, allowing for precise health and feeding management.
We use a tong feeding system with pre-killed prey to ensure safety and minimize stress.
Each animal is microchipped and receives regular health checks. Once they reach optimal size, usually 12 to 18 months, the cohort is scheduled for processing.
Processing starts with instantaneous humane stunning. The stunned python is transferred to an automated bleeding station for a precise, hygienic process. Each python skin is immediately scanned by AI to create a digital quality passport. Robotic butchery ensures maximum yield and perfect consistency from every python loin. Laser fleshing replaces mechanical blades, allowing for unprecedented precision on every python hide.
Digital patterns are laser cut from each python hide, ensuring perfect consistency and optimal use of the precious material.
Precision dies cut belt straps and bag panels from each python hide, ensuring consistent sizing and minimal material waste.
Every product passes a final AI inspection before being packaged with robotic precision, ready for delivery.
Each finished product receives a final AI inspection before being packaged for its journey to the luxury retailer.
The entire process, from incubation to shipment, is orchestrated by a central AI for perfect efficiency and traceability.
This is the future of sustainable protein and material science.